So what if your home could actually help pay for itself? That's a strategy for this. It's called house hacking. And honestly, it can make owning a home so much more doable for some buyers. Here's the idea. You live in the property, but you rent out part of it. And that rental income helps cover your costs. Actually, I just showed a couple of places like this. Duplex with a tenant already living in one of the units. So picture this. You move into the top unit, and then the tenant rent is already coming in to help with your mortgage. That's pretty great, right? And it doesn't have to be a duplex. Maybe it's a house with a basement suite. Maybe it's a spare room you rent out. Whatever setup works for you. That extra income can go towards your mortgage, property taxes, utilities, maintenance, all the stuff that adds up. So let's talk numbers for a second. Using that duplex as an example, say your monthly housing costs are around $6,500. If your tenant's paying you $2,000 a month, your actual cost drops to about $4,500. That's a big difference, especially when lenders look at what you can afford. Now I'll be honest with you. This isn't for everyone. You're sharing your space, you're managing a tenant, you're taking on some landlord duties. With a place like that duplex, you'd even be stepping into an existing lease. So that's something to think about first. But if you're the right kind of buyer for this, house hacking can be such a smart way to get into home ownership sooner, and you're still building equity the whole time. So if this is the first time you're hearing about it, definitely worth looking into. You might have more options than you realize. And honestly, if you're curious whether something like this could work for you, just reach out, send me a message, give me a call, whatever is easiest. I'd love to show you what homes are out there.